Welcome to my channel. Hello and fellow. I tried to stay consistent on YouTube and I failed. I actually recorded videos but never edited them, never uploaded them. And I don't even know why. But recently I realized something. Life does not suddenly changes on one day. You don't wake up and become productive, disciplined, perfect. It takes time, small steps, messy efforts. And here's something that I am actually proud of. I was addicted to YouTube, especially shorts. Not even learning anything, just scrolling and scrolling. One day I sat down and asked myself, what did I actually gain from all of this? And honestly, I couldn't even remember what I had watched. Those shorts videos with music, they makes you imagine a fake life instead of building a real one. So I decided to stop. Not instantly, I failed many times, 24 hours, 48 hours and again, but now I blocked YouTube. And now I am solving LeetCode, working on ML projects and trying to build my career. So this time I am not trying to be perfect, I will just show up. Even if no one watches, I will upload. Because maybe consistency does not come from motivation, it comes from showing off even no one is watching. Thank you and subscribe.